Okay, so my husband's gonna have some company from out of town come and spend the night. Our house is a complete disaster. It's not at all ready for any kind of company. Let me show you what we had to deal with. Okay, so this is what our dining table currently looks like. There is clutter everywhere, gym bags and just different things. A suitcase from when my husband went out of town. This is the guest bedroom. Again, clutter everywhere. Bookcase is a mess. Other bookcase is also a mess. So this is one of the big priority rooms. So bedroom obviously is going to be a priority. Then the guest bathroom, so the downstairs bathroom. Clothes, towel, like complete mess. This is not something I would want company to have. So we definitely have a lot of work to do. We're going to clean. Just look at all of this stuff in here. Like, okay, so if possible, I also want to get through this room here too. There's a lot of laundry, camera bag, some notebooks, just clutter everywhere. So that's my goal today. I want to try to hit up each item, obviously the bedroom and the bathroom first. So let's get to it. Okay, so I don't know how long it's been since the last person spent the night. I know I washed the bedding then, but I want to do it again just because I don't know how long it's been, and that's just where we're gonna start. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip the bed, take all the stuff off, put it in the washing machine, wash it, and then it's gonna be nice and fresh. Look into your eye, I feel so alive. So glad I started now. This is gonna take an hour and 20 minutes, y'all. Okay, so I put my hair up. I have my coffee. So this is a fresh coffee. I've been up since 5 o'clock in the morning. I've been to work, I got home. I need coffee. I'm gonna light a candle because I think it's gonna give me this nice like vibe in the house. It's gonna make me chill while I'm cleaning. Okay, so apparently if I leave the room long enough, the cats will come in. So high, but now you're gone. I feel so alive, all the time. I just feel so high, but now you're gone. Okay, so I do realize that I have way too many books on this bookcase. There's not a lot I can do about that right now. I know I need to go through it, take out the books I don't want anymore, maybe go to Half Price Bookstore, get some money for them, or sell them, give them away. I just need to get rid of a lot of them. But I don't think today's the day for that because I don't have a lot of time. So maybe I can get to that today, probably not. So we're gonna keep going. Okay, so that's right, I did make this situation a lot worse. When I see you dancing, I just feel so high, but now you're gone. I feel so alive. This might look a little bit better, but now I have this problem with the bed, so I've just been kind of like making piles of stuff. So high, but now you're gone. Now you're gone. Okay, the pile is gone. Okay, let me show you guys what this looks like now. So I think it looks a little bit better. It's not perfect. I'm not trying to do some kind of home makeover. Bookcase. So I think it just looks a lot cleaner. So, you know, it's not perfect. I should probably decorate it better, make it look nicer. But this is at least clean, which I will take. Okay, so now I have more laundry because somebody left the laundry in the dryer. I don't feel like that, so I'm gonna be cleaning this area right now. So this is what it looks like. Again, I wasn't really trying to decorate at this time. I'm just trying to make it look a lot nicer. I do know that it needs a lot more work, so hopefully that will be coming soon. Okay, so now it's time for this disaster. So these papers, my cat's knocked down. Just like to point that out. Okay, so wish me luck. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so this isn't like the best, but I think it looks a lot better.
I call you pretty, but it never goes as planned. You think it's funny, I'm just trying to be a man. I wanna show you in the best way that I can that I'm so in love with you. Try to be serious, but you can never tell. It isn't easy to confess how hard I felt when we've just been friends since the day we met. I don't know what to do, 'cause how can I try to cross all the lines that we've always had between you and I? This if I'm just a friend to you. How can I make you change your mind to see me different? Wish I could get your eyes on my prescription, 'cause baby all it takes is the same vision for me to get your heartbeat going just as fast as mine. 'Cause I could be your guide. I see you by my side, but maybe I'm just blind. But maybe I'm too serious. I try to keep it in my head, but it isn't really going well. Feeling like we gotta meditate, but I can't escape. And now I hate myself, I hate my thoughts. We're thinking about you and I'm thinking a lot.
Okay, so I just took a shower, finished cleaning, took a shower, and now I'm ready to show you what everything looks like. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Sorry about the blinds, my cats did that. Bookcase. I think it looks so much better. Moving on to the bathroom. This is what it looks like. So clean mirror. Clean sink. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. We've got this living room ready to go. Ready? Beautiful. My cat. This living room. Kitchen's still clean. And the dining room. I don't know how I did that all, but I did it.